Introducing the VIRROW X5 Dashcam, a complete solution for your car's security. With front recording in 4K Ultra HD and rear in 2.5K QHD, no detail goes unnoticed. It comes ready to use with a 64GB memory card pre-installed. The touchscreen makes navigation easy, while the ultra-wide viewing angle, 170 degrees in the front and 165 in the back, covers the entire road. Connect to the app to view and manage your recordings in real time and share important videos with just one click. Drive with confidence, day or night, thanks to WDR technology with super night vision. Loop recording ensures you never run out of space, and 24-hour parking monitoring protects your vehicle even when you're not around. And in an emergency, the G sensor automatically locks the video, ensuring the evidence is secure. Installation is simple and fast. VIRROW X5, the witness that never rests.
With the JZONES V620, connection is simple. Turn on the camera, activate Wi-Fi in the menu, and connect your smartphone through the app for full control and immediate access to your recordings. Fast and smart.
REDTIGER F7NP. 4K cameras and Sony Starvis sensor. Track your routes with GPS and get clear images, even at night. The ROVE R2 4K has arrived, your ultimate travel companion. Capture every detail in 4K Ultra HD with Sony sensor technology and a 150-degree wide-angle lens. Stay always connected with built-in Wi-Fi 6 and use GPS for geo-tagging all your videos. Your car is protected 24 hours a day with the automatic parking mode. Track your speed and direction with the live compass. And for your peace of mind, continuous loop recording supports cards up to 512 gigabytes. Say goodbye to battery problems thanks to the built-in supercapacitor, which ensures longer life and safety. ROVE R2 4K, your witness, your peace of mind.
This is the SUVON, the 3-channel dash cam that offers a complete view. Record the front, interior, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously in full HD. Equipped with a high-performance sensor, it captures every angle with clarity. The rear camera is waterproof, perfect for any weather. With wide viewing angles, nothing escapes its sight. The excellent night vision ensures sharp images even in the dark. Also, count on the G sensor for emergencies and 24-hour parking monitoring. Protection is there from all sides.
Take your safety to a new level with the BOTSLAB G980H Pro. True 4K imaging enhanced by an artificial intelligence chip and the renowned Sony Starvis sensor. The camera turns into a smart co-pilot. Receive pedestrian collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and headway monitoring. It even alerts you when the car in front starts moving. Video transfer to your phone is ultra-fast, and the rear camera has 360-degree rotation for the perfect angle. You'll be safer on the streets.
Discover the VEEMENTE V300 with sharp 2K recording and a discreet design that integrates perfectly with your car. The 170-degree lens captures a wide view of the road. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to view everything live on the app, from where you can easily control and share your videos. Protect your car with 24-hour time-lapse recording, and trust the incredible night vision to record everything, anytime. This is the perfect combination of design and functionality. Need a witness on the road? The CHORTAU dual lens is here for that. With the G sensor, your emergency files are always safe. The dual lenses record the front and rear, day and night with total clarity. And when it's time to park, it turns into a reversing assistant, making your maneuvers easier. Simplicity and safety for your daily life. VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is easy to install and records in 2K. Cameras with a sensor, integrated GPS, and Wi-Fi for total control. This is BESTSEE. Versatility with dual recording or 4K front recording. Count on night vision, Wi-Fi with an app, and a complete security package. Parking monitor, G sensor, and loop recording. ECOMOMENT GT802-4K, the technology that protects you. The 6-layer lens and powerful chip ensure breathtaking 4K Ultra HD images, with incredible performance in WDR and night vision. Connect through the app for live viewing and use the GPS to track your trips. The dual front and rear channels cover all the action. With a 24-hour parking mode and G sensor, the ECOMOMENT is the guardian of your vehicle.